Hi. Excuse me, where can I find the pasta?
The pasta is in aisle 3, next to the rice.
Thanks. And the tomato sauce?
Still there on the same shelf.
Perfect. I'll also get some bread.
The fresh bread is near the entrance next to the fruit.
Ah, yes, I see it. And the still water.
1 liter bottles or 2 liter ones?
2-liter ones. Thanks.
At the back of the supermarket, next to the soft drinks.
Perfect. Ah, do you also have parmesan?
Of course, you'll find it in the fridge section. Need help finding it?
No, thanks, I know where to go now.
All right, happy shopping.
Thanks a lot.
Hey, Michael, it's our turn to clean today, remember?
Yes, I know. What should we do?
I can vacuum and clean the bathroom.
Okay, then I'll wash the dishes and take out the trash.
Perfect. Can you also mop the kitchen floor?
All right. But where's the floor detergent?
It's under the sink next to the gloves.
Found it. And the bucket?
On the balcony next to the washing machine.
Okay, let's get started.
Yes, so we can finish quickly.
Afterwards we can order a pizza.
Great idea.
Hello? Good morning. Am I speaking with the plumber?
Yes, good morning. How can I help you?
I have a problem with the sink, it's leaking underneath.
How long has this been happening?
Since last night. I put a bucket under it, but it's still dripping.
I see. Where do you live?
At 12 Verdi Street, 3rd floor.
Can I come by this afternoon around 16? Is that okay?
Yes, perfect. Do I need to buy anything before?
No, I'll bring everything.
Okay, thank you. See you later.
See you later. Goodbye.
Good morning. I have a package for Sonia Smith.
That's me. Thanks. Is it big?
Fairly. Can I set it down here?
Yes, that's fine. Do I need to sign?
Yes, here on the tablet.
Just a moment. Done.
Perfect. Everything okay with the package?
Yes, it seems intact. Can I know where it's from?
From Germany with express delivery.
Wow, it's my new computer.
Well then, have fun.
Thank you very much. Have a good day.
You too.